access to SQL?
Can I do this? Yeah.
Go ahead. It's okay.
Should I do slideshow?
If you want to. You're fine.
Hi, my name is Clara here, and I go to Martin Luther King School. I have Mr. Salcido as my technology teacher. So, have you ever wondered where your contacts are stored on your phone or where your online pizza orders go? Well, they all go in a database. A database is a place that's where you store data. A database consists of tables which store the data, and the tables have fields which define define the data. SQL, or structured query language, is used to make the tables and fields and store the data and retrieve this data. And this is very important because most applications today actually use SQL to store and retrieve data. So in school, I got to learn about databases and research them and learn how they work. And Mr. Salcido let me present this to my class, and I learned a lot of codes, so a lot of scripts, I should say. And here are some that I learned. So I use Khan Academy for this, and it's an interactive way where I would just type the script on the left-hand side, and then on the right I would see what I typed. So I created a table called contacts. So right here, that says it there, and the fields I have are contact ID, contact name, contact age, can I call this person, and can I text this person. So I made the table, but then I obviously needed to add some data to it. So I wrote insert into contacts and values. So the contact ID tells me who I added first. So I added my mom first. Yes, she is 800 years old. And yes, I can call her, but no, I cannot text her. And as you can see, I have other data in here that lets me see what I can do and what I can't. And then I wrote select from contacts so that I can see this table. This table wasn't enough for me, so I wanted to create another one. And I made this one called calls to. In this table, I had contact ID, I had the date, I had the number of times I called the person, the number of missed calls from that person, and the number of text messages sent. So I want to show you data that I have. So my contact ID, which is contact ID 4. Now, I don't know who this person is, so if we go back, I can see that it is Katniss Everdeen from one of my favorite books, The Hunger Games. And on 4/26/2016, I called her 9,000 times. I might be obsessed, but I had one missed call with her, and I sent out 504 text messages. So that shows you what I did, and I added much more data. And something I didn't do in the other one is right over here, I wrote order by date descending. This makes it so that the date is, obviously the newest date is on top. So if you ever go on your phone, you usually see the newest missed call. And you usually see the one that you need to call back, like not the one that was a year ago missed call. You want to call back the person. So that's what I added. Now, did you see how it was hard to kind of find who the contact ID 4 was? Thank you. And, so that was hard. So what I did is I wanted to join these two tables. And by joining them, it lets me retrieve data from both tables and lets me see them. This is not a table, I just joined them. And you might be like, why didn't you just create a whole other table? Well, that would just be me using data and in the store, and on your phone you have limited amount of storage. You don't want to be filling it up with stuff you already can store. So you'll just be wasting your storage. So that's why I created that. And now I can see that the contact ID 4 was Katniss, and I can see that she's 25 years old, and I can also see that I called her 9,000 times, and I can see these different things in contacts and calls too. And over here, I'll just show you an example. the way I got it to join, I wrote contact, here your contact name. So that's just telling me from this table, I took the field contact name and joined it. And from calls 2, I might have numbers of times called and put it in this join. And the only way to actually join two tables would be having something similar. So in both, I have a contact ID. So that's the only way I could join them. And this was really fun for me, and I really enjoyed this. So thank you, Mr. Salcido, for letting me present this, and Ms. Blanchett and Dr. Gray for this opportunity. And